I'm priming my eyelids using concealer. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't know why, I just like priming my eyelids with the concealer. Alright, now I've been really into colorful looks lately. I don't know. I just love colorful looks right now. I mean, it's spring and I've just been liking them. So I'm going to start off by taking this pink color in the Shiny palette and putting it right here, like in the inner part of the Ooh, that's pigmented, girl! My biggest tip for doing shadows in the crease is to really work it in with a brush, because if you get the best blend, then it'll look so clean and just so nice. I'm going to the Kylie Cosmetics Purple palette, and I've been really loving the shade Lilac lately for all my looks. So I'm going to just pop that in the center. Now going back to the Shiny palette, I'm taking a mixture of these two colors and putting it on the outer part of my crease. And I like to say winging it out, even though I don't know what the technical term is called. Just because when I do a cut crease, I make sure to make it really exaggerated so I can really clean up and make a sharp line when I use concealer. Now before I put a white base on, I want to take some more of this Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I want to clean up my lid before. I know it seems kind of weird and it's kind of extra, but I just like to do this step. Now going into my Makeup Forever Flash palette, I'm taking this white color on just a random brush. I know I usually use shading brushes, but I don't want to ruin any of them right now. So just a random brush that I found, and I'm putting it on my lid and then putting it under the line of the cut crease. Well, you'll see what I'm doing, but yeah. Now I'm just taking some shiny translucent powder, and I'm going to be setting the white brush. I find this step very important since my eyelids like always crease. So especially with cream paint on my eyes, I always have to make sure to set everything. I'm trying to think of what color to put on the lower lash line because I did the 3 colors that go really well together, and this might sound weird, but I get a lot of drag queen vibes from this look, which I'm really digging. I think this is gonna sound weird again, but I think I want to put yellow on the lower lash line, but I'm afraid I might ruin it. Decisions. Alright, I decided what I'm gonna do. First off, going into the shade, and the shade again. I'm taking the Shiny 15 brush. Then moving into the Kylie Cosmetics Purple palette, I'm taking the shade Lilac and cleaning off my brush on my hand because I literally use my hand to blend everything. Now going into the Too Faced Chocolate Almond palette, I'm taking the color Totally Fetch. And I'm going to be putting it right here. It's literally the same color from the Shiny palette, and I put my Shiny palette away, so I popped on some lashes. These are from Rocket Lash. I'm not sure. I think they're the Deluxe. Don't quote me on it though. Now moving on to primer. Of course, you know I gotta do what I gotta do for the views for that thumbnail photo. So I'm taking the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops, and you know this makes me look like everything is emphasized. So I'm just gonna put it here. Little glow. Now for foundation today, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, which is my favorite foundation next to the Fenty Beauty one at the moment. And I literally just do one pump. It's amazing. I love this foundation. Best $40 I've ever spent. For powder today, let me get my brush. I'm using the Shiny Cosmetics Translucent Powder. Okay, but can we talk about that difference? For contour today, I'm going to start off by taking the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade Chestnut. I don't even need to check it. I check it so people don't think I'm a freak, but yeah, I know the shade by heart. And what I like to do, so I can't talk while I'm doing that, is I like to start off with a cream contour, so like this foundation stick. And yes, I contour my forehead, and I'm not supposed to, but I do. And I don't do my nose with this. But then I take my Morphe bronzer and contour palette, I take a little bit of contour and blend it out. Honestly, I don't even need to like highlight with powder, but you know I'm going to anyway. And by the way, I know I get a lot of comments saying, oh my god, blend out your bronzer. Like, first off, bronzer is supposed to make you look sun-kissed, so I like that. And you don't see my nose looking sun-kissed because I don't use bronzer on it. So, haters back off. Moving on to highlighter, I'm taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I feel so basic. Now for even more highlight, I'm taking this Sephora Single Shadow in ballet shoes because I like to use this as a highlighter. Now finally, for lips, I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa Collection Liquid Lipstick in Ochre.